Okay, class, here's Petit Rondo by Jean-Nicolas Geoffrey, a Baroque piece. He died 14 years or 9 years after Johann Sebastian Bach and George Friedrich Handel and Domenico Scarlatti were born. Those three geniuses, giant Baroque geniuses, were born in 1685, interestingly enough. So this is a Baroque piece, and it interestingly follows the AAB form that we just had with Chattanooga Choo Choo, but it is A, and then the music is exactly repeated, softer, an echo effect commonly used in Baroque music. Then it's got a sort of a bridge, so it'll be AAB, and then the A form comes back softly again. So that's the form, and they're introducing something called an ornament or a trill. In this case, a trill. And a trill is the little TR sign above the note. The principal note we call it is a B. You would begin the trill on the upper neighbor in Baroque music, so it would be C, right next door to it. So it would be. So they tell you to use 4 on the C. 4 is kind of a weaker finger, so it might be easier to do it with your third finger, the trill. And it also says it is optional somewhere. Note 12, note bene in Latin, that's what NB stands for. The trills are optional. Okay, so perhaps it's an editor suggestion, but at any rate, it's pretty advanced for piano 2, but you can give it a try. So forte, piano, the B section in forte, and then it comes back in soft, the same theme of the A softly. Here you have a left hand non-legato. Generally speaking, in Baroque music, sometimes when you have non-stepwise movement in a voice, in this case the left hand, you play it non-legato. I wouldn't worry about that too much. Okay, I would follow the staccatos here, okay? And if you want to make these connected, you could, or slightly detached, you could. That would be proper Baroque articulation, okay? So I'll play it first with the ornaments included, okay? And it's in cut time, so it's and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So not too fast, allegro, but moderato, allegro, moderato. Here we go. So if I were to leave the ornament out, it would sound. With the third finger, the trill is. With the fourth finger, I don't have a lot of confidence with my fourth finger, but it can work because it's right underneath your hand position. You give it a little bit of a feeling with your wrist attacking the note. Maybe you would like the fourth finger better. I feel more confident with my third trilling with my 3-2 instead of 4-3 because these are stronger fingers. But it's your hand, you decide, whichever feels better for you to play with. Petit Rondo by Geoffrey.